Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a powerful natural remedy for hair growth, and that's ginseng root. Now if you're looking to boost your health naturally, then this is the video for you. So let's dive in. Now ginseng is renowned in traditional medicine for its potent health benefits, particularly for hair growth. The most important active compounds in ginseng are called ginsenosides. Now, these saffarans are responsible for many of ginseng's health benefits. For hair growth, ginsenosides have several key roles. So ginsenosides help to stimulate hair follicles, enhancing new hair growth and preventing hair thinning. They exceed the angin phase of the hair growth cycle, which is the active growth phase resulting in longer and thicker hair. Inflammation of the scalp can hinder hair growth and lead to hair loss. Ginseng's natural anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe and heal the scalp, creating a healthier environment for hair to grow. By reducing the inflammation, ginseng helps to prevent the conditions like dandruff, for instance, and psoriasis, which can damage the hair follicles. Good blood circulation in the scalp is crucial as well for healthy hair growth, as it ensures hair follicles receive adequate nutrients and oxygen to the scalp. Ginseng has even been shown to improve blood circulation, which helps to nourish the hair follicles and promote growth. Enhanced blood flow means that your scalp can get more of the essential nutrients needed for strong and healthy hair. Now, ginseng is also rich in antioxidants, which fight off free radicals that can damage hair cells. Free radicals are harmful molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to hair thinning and loss. By neutralizing these free radicals, ginseng protects your hair follicles from damage and supports overall hair health. Another fantastic benefit of ginseng is its ability to strengthen hair roots. Weak hair roots are a common cause of hair loss and breakage. So ginseng nourishes, strengthens the roots, making your hair more resilient and less prone to falling out. So let me explain how to use ginseng root as a hair rinse, and here's what you will need. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of the ginseng root and 1 litre, which is approximately 4 cups of water. Boil the water, add the chopped ginseng root and let it boil, or simmer rather, for 10 to 15 minutes. Bring it to a boil, simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now once that's done, you're going to let the tea cool down obviously before using, and after shampooing your hair, use the cool ginseng tea as a final rinse and massage it into your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it out with lukewarm water. So how does it work? Well, ginseng helps by improving the health of your hair follicles by boosting the number of dermal papilla cells. And these papilla cells in the scalp help to enhance the blood circulation. Now this means that your hair follicles receive more nutrients and oxygen, promoting stronger and healthier hair growth. But here are some tips for the best results. Remember, as I always say, consistency is key. So be patient. Use the ginseng rinse regularly, around 2 to 3 times a week. Maintain a healthy, balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals to support your hair health from within. And always do a patch test before using any new products to enhance to ensure that you don't have any allergic reaction. Now, it's typical because it takes about 6 to 8 weeks to start seeing noticeable results. This is not a quick fix. This is natural herbal remedies. You need to be consistent. And while ginseng can support the hair growth and improve hair health and the hair growth, it can be a gradual process. So just stay on it. And it does vary from person to person. So be patient and consistent. Now, here's a few cautions to bear in mind. If you have a scalp condition or allergic to ginseng, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or avoid it altogether if you are unsure before using it. Now, while there are many anecdotal reports supporting ginseng's benefits for hair growth, scientific studies are still ongoing. However, its general health benefits and positive impact on circulation are well documented. Now, be warned, if you have hypothyroidism or any other health condition, again, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before using any new herbal remedy. So even topically, specifically, be cautious with ginseng root where hypothyroidism is present, as ginseng root can potentially interfere with thyroid function and medications used to manage hypothyroidism. It contains active compounds that might stimulate the thyroid gland and potentially exacerbating hypothyroidism symptoms. Therefore, if you have hypothyroidism, it's best to avoid using this root altogether and opt for safer alternatives. For instance, marshmallow root or burdock root, which are less likely to affect your thyroid health. Now, you'll find marshmallow root and burdock root in the description below, along with the ginseng root, all at 50% off. Now, it's crucial to use organic root, ginseng root, to avoid harmful chemicals and to ensure that you get the full benefits. And as I mentioned, click the link in the description below and you can source the ginseng at 50% off. So there you have it. Ginseng is particularly beneficial for hair growth due to its specific properties that enhances follicle health and scalp circulation. So if you're still following this video, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos to help you support your health naturally. See you in the next video.